You don't have to be big to make a difference.
Jim Anderson knows how hard people work to build a life for themselves. He's done it himself, growing Anderson Automotive from a simple home repair shop. He also has a big heart and lives by his father's advice.
Boys, if you ever get to a point where you have a little something in life, don't ever forget the people that helped you get there.
During the last recession, Jim found a way to put those words into action. Wheels of Change is that device. A program that virtually gives away automobiles to generous people who could use a new ride.
Just think about that person that you always see going out of the way for everybody else and always puts themselves last. That's the person that we want to find.
Now in its 5th year, the Wheels of Change prize this time is this 2001 Honda Accord. It's a fixer-upper.
We had color all the way down here, so it matched right up with the bumper.
Wade's Auto Collision touched up this year's Honda with Advanced Auto Parts donating other needs. The buy-in from local businesses extends even to Jim's mechanics.
The fact that we can help out somebody and do something that can change somebody else's life, I think it's amazing.
The only catch, the recipient pays $1 for the car, for good reason.
So when they go to register the vehicle, they're paying sales tax on $1 instead of the appraised value if it was a gift.
Shop owners around the country like the idea so much, they've adopted Jim's program, giving away more than 30 vehicles.
Everywhere from California to Colorado to Chicago, down southeast United States, New Mexico, everywhere.
And Jim says the hundreds of nominations he gets is a great reminder that there is a lot of good in the world.
What I find is every year as I'm reading all these letters, I wish I had 20 cars to give away.